Idli.
Coconut chutney. Idli dyan.
Wow, it's ready. I'll have it.
Look. Kala ko diet.
You also eat, la? Okay.
Later.
Yes.
Excited Marge. Ano na siyang kumain. I like Mama's coconut chutney. This is not coconut chutney. This is peanut chutney. Peanut chutney pala siya.
It's 8 p.m. I'm out alone, not worried about a hand to hold. Don't need a guy to waste my time, thinking I've got.
You said you will eat later too?
I'm feeling jealous. You're eating.
Eat later too. Eat later na. Na, beja. Thora pila na. Khai nahi chahiye. Beja.
Kids are eating. Isa ito sa paborito kong luto ni Mami ko. Isa sa paborito kong Indian dish. Vegetarian Indian dish. Snake board. Abi? Para sa kaldi powder na ako. Order. So, ito naluto na yung bujiya. Sarap nito eh. Yung lasa nito, parang patola lang din sa atin na medyo matamis-tamis. Are you dancing? Hospital. What is that, Kuch-Kuch? Ice? Daddy is there! Daddy is back! went outside for shaving. Where's Daddy's hair? Nasaan daw yung hair niya? Yung bigote. Oh no!
Do I look beautiful?
What happened to Daddy's hair? Oh no! Be, where's Daddy's hair? You don't like Daddy's new look? You want Daddy with hair? Which one you want? With hair or no hair on Daddy's face? With hair! Oh no! Just giving her bath. What happened to Mitty? He looks like a baby boy. With hair na, he looks like real father. Everyone in Philippines, that if they watch our video and Abhi is having like beard, they're saying it's not looking good. He looks mature. They like with clean shave. Nakadress siya. And meron siyang panloob. Pero nasanay. Oh, listen, I will not give you your pants. I will not give you your pants. Nasanay na siya na meron talagang leggings or shorts sa loob ng kanyang, sa ilalim ng kanyang dress. Ngayon, hindi ko siya sinuotan. Sabi niya na makikita daw ng iba yung kanyang panloob. So, gusto niya merong pants. Come on. Where are we going? Wait na lang. Lunch time. Ito yung aming ulam. Ito, luto to ni Honey. Ito yung luto ni Mommy. And dal tsaka rice. Parang pag nagluluto sila dito, yung sa taas may niluluto din ng ulam. Dito sa baba meron din. Tapos combine na lang sa pagkain. Diba? Marami yung ulam. So ito yung aming lunch ngayon. This is battleboard raita. This is chole and paneer. And ito yung pinakita ko kanina na snake gourd. Again, what is the password of Daddy's phone? Mimi! Yung tambayan namin dito is sa second floor. Especially if andito si Aaron G, si Hadley. Dito kami sa taas na matambay. Doon sa baba sila lang ni Papa. Doon tumatambay doon. And ngayon meron kaming bisita. Kaibigan ni Abhi. For our guys, dinner. Same pa din yung chole and paneer. Honey cooked this. And puri. Partner.
This is raita.
Like this, right? Same pa din yung ulam. Yung puri lang yung iba. Tapos lang namin mag-dinner doon sa taas. Mishika. Hello. Hello. Lalabas kami, guys. We have to charge that. Pagkatapos namin kumain, guys, mag-walking daw kami muna sa labas. And alam nyo ba, meron daw dito isang Pinay dito sa kabilang, kali. So, I'm not sure if totoo yung sabi nila ni Mami kasi may isang tindero dito na sinabihan din ako last time nung nagtanong siya sa akin kung saan, taga saan ako, sabi ko Pilipinas. Sabi niya may isang Pilipina din daw dito sa colony namin. Sana totoo para kahit pa paano meron tayong kapitbahay dito na sobrang lapit lang. Labas na kami, guys. Yung magpinsan. Oh. It's already 8. Pero alive na alive pa rin dito sa Patna. Okay, enough na. I thought we are just going to walk in the park. Pero bibili pala kami ng mga gulay sa tindahan. With the whole farm. Si Papa lang yung kulang. Kompleto kami eh.
Mama is going to pick vegetables.
What about them, yeah?
Sweets.
Sweets? They're going to buy sweets? Why?
Tomorrow is the market, yeah?
Oh, there's new. Huh? New restaurant pala dito sa labasan namin, oh. Big Odyssey. Ang daming bago. We were here like 5 months ago. And there are so many changes. Yeah. Restaurant and bake shop, I think. Si Mami, nauna na dito namili ng gulay. Sumunod lang kami kasi bumili si Arunchi ng sweets for tomorrow. May festival din daw. What Uncle is saying, Mimi? Huh? What Uncle said daw? Sila natin si Mishka ng guava. Mimi, don't bite yet. Excited much sa guava.
Excited so much.
Hindi na siya makapaghintay. Give Ane Baya also. Give Ane Baya. Ane?
Eat.
कैसे है
120.
Exo 100. 1 kilo.
She likes guava.
Yeah, she likes guava. Okay, eat lava. Is it soft or is it hard? It's soft. It's slimy. The kids are playing bicycle. Si Mishka umiiyak pa kasi gusto din ng bike. Someday we'll get her bike. So yung dalawa, merong bike. Ito yung kay Ane kasi na bike. Bago to eh, malaki. So yung luma niya, ito yung ginagamit ni Miti. So si Mishka, nakikiano lang siya muna, nakikilaro-laro. Wala pa siyang bike eh. Pupaji is helping Mimi. Wow! Pupaji is helping you. Say thank you, Pupaji na. Ayaw na niya. Nahihiya siya. She's shy. Oh, careful. Yung mga nabili namin doon sa labas ng mga gulay. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung opo. Opo na bilog. Grabe, 2 kilo ata ito. Massage time yung maglola dyan, guys. And tomorrow pala is festival na timing yung pag-uwi namin dito sa Patna. Actually, itong pag-uwi namin, may mga importanteng bagay lang na gagawin dito sa Patna. And another thing is that it's of his, what is that yun? Transfer leave, ano? It's called transfer leave. During transfer, they are given 7 days transfer leave. Okay, he wants to be a policeman. So yun guys, so yung transfer leave nila ni Abhi, he is supposed to take that during our transfer from Bangalore to Madikeri. Pero yung usually yung ginagawa nila, they will transfer during weekends so that
To save this leaf.
yeah, to save this leave so they can use it somewhere else. So for us, ito yung kanyang transfer leave. Inuwi namin dito sa Patna. Let Daddy G hear your chubby chicks. You sound like a cat. Kitten. You sound like a baby. Okay.
Mommy, that's my baby.
I am.
I am mommy, dad's baby.
Yes.
Now he's talk.
Oh,
One
no.
more left. See. Now tiny house. They want is a tiny house.
I'm going to close the vlog na, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You wanna say goodnight? She's done with her massage. Lumabas pa yan para mag-say thank you kay Daddy G. Come here.
Watch my watch my video. You like my video, please press my button.
What button do you press?
Bye.
Not your button, Vishka, bell icon.